Tim from Your Six Studios. Today in this video I'm going to show you how to find your saved passwords on your Samsung phone. So there's two different areas for your different password managers. If we swipe up from the bottom and just type in search Samsung Pass, or you might be able to just do Samsung Pass or Pass, I can see this little icon right here. I can just click this. This is the password management with your Samsung account. So you can just sign in right here and you should be able to see everything listed, and then you should be able to get it. Now if you're using Google as your password manager, if you swipe up from the top and go to settings right here, going down to Google services, then go to where it says all services and going down under here, and there should be an option for password manager autofill with Google. Tap that Google password manager. We can click this. Now you can just tap on whatever option you have in here, and you have to set a screen lock, but you can just tap on the password and it should reveal the actual password. So if I were to go to one of these, I could reveal the password and see what my password is, and then log into it on a different website or something, or a different device. But hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below.